Imagine you're traveling in a bus, suddenly a phone rings. The phone's owner took out his phone and unfolds it and then answered his call. And congratulations, you have witnessed a new chapter of phones that bend, fold, and even flip like something straight out of a science fiction. Suddenly, you may wonder, how do these futuristic devices even work? At the heart of it is a flexible OLED displays. Instead of rigid glasses you may see in normal smartphones, the screen is built on ultra thin plastic polymer materials, allowing it to bend thousands of times without snapping. But here is a catch: flexible screen is only the half of the story. The real magic lies in the hinge. Companies like Samsung designed multi gear hinges that fold the phone smoothly and distributing pressure evenly and even sweeping away dust with tiny brushes hidden inside. Recent technologies like in 2025 Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are slimmer, lighter, and the crease is almost invincible. Motorola and Oppo are making foldables more affordable and bringing them to more people. And Corning, yeah, the Corning Gorilla Glass. That company is testing ultra thin glasses, real glass that bends like plastic. Some brands are even working on rollable phones that expand and sideways like magic scrolls. Foldables aren't just a gimmick, they combine portability with productivity. For example, imagine you have actually purchased a foldable phone. When it's in your pocket, it's a phone, and when it's into your hand, it's like a tablet. So, it's a glimpse of the future where one device adapts for every each needs. So, next time when you see a flip or fold phone, remember you're not just witnessing a gadget but decades of innovation and piece of future right in front of your eye. Thanks for watching. Would you switch to a foldable or flip phone or stick with your classic smartphone? Just comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tea time talk.